ran into a dead end. They just piled up a mound here. There's a sign here, Land of Oz Lane. There's the loop road. They're not allowing anyone on. There's a mini loop, I guess. It's too bad. They don't maintain it in the winter. Need to come back now. Summer, spring. It's been a couple of days now and I decided to go and upgrade to software release 2020.4.1. It's the first release of 2020. From what I've read online, it just fixes a lot of bugs and such, and it'd be interesting to see how autopilot works driving home. I learned right now that you can do an update with the car charging with AC charging. But if you're doing DC, like a supercharger, for sure you can't do a software update. Which makes some sense, so if you're like at a supercharger, oftentimes it's 25 to 40 minutes. So on the short end, you wouldn't even have enough time to do the update. And the fact that if you're being billed, it gets kind of complicated too, that you're in the middle of doing a software update, and then if it finishes, I don't know. I'm not exactly sure why they don't allow it, but they allow you to do it apparently with slow charging. Or home charging, or destination charging, it looks like. Which I think's nice. So I'll have the software updated and I'll also add a couple miles of range. Oh, man. My bad. Appears that during the update process there is not charging, which is unfortunate. But you don't have to unplug, but you don't charge. Go. Just about reached the Freeport Supercharger. And this is a good one. It's a little disappointed with the last one. Just being a restaurant and a Walmart. That was it. This one looks more downtownish. Right off the highway, which is nice. Get your pizza. 3 pizzas. Justin's Way. Oofda. Right up here on the right. What is going on here? Got the juice popping over there. Click, click. What's here? This one's not great. I'm gonna have to look at the map. There's like nothing here. The famous LLBean boot. Right there. I feel like I have to go see that. The LLBean Store Discovery Park. And I mean, there's a whole strip there. Shopping center, post office, garage, sports center. Not the worst. I have to look closer here, but pretty cool. There is an LLBean free car charging section in the same parking lot right up ahead. So there's 8 more stalls. So there's some serious electricity here. Some serious amount of chargers. There's 16 chargers in all. That would explain why there's a Tesla up ahead. They're probably using the LLBean free car charger right here. Open 24/7. Nice. It's decided to really rev up here. I'm not sure why. The charging, I feel like, is very random. I mean, it's not that cold out, and all of a sudden it's just like ramping up the fan really loud. It's not preheating the battery or anything either, so I don't really know what it's doing.